Look at this rich, velvety gravy and perfectly tender chickpeas. Carving that authentic restaurant style Kabuli Chana Masala, but try it off falling flat at home. Today I am going to show you the ultimate secret of getting the deep, dark Punjabi dhaba style color, perfectly soft chickpeas without hours of boiling and spice blend that will make your entire kitchen smell amazing. Whether you are serving this with a fluffy bhatura, cumin rice, or warm garlic naan, or chapati, or even for that matter, simple rice, this recipe is guaranteed to be a hit. Hello everyone, welcome to FoodsMemory channel. Your VJPJ DJ with you. Come on, let's say goodbye to boring chole and follow these steps for the best results for a flavorful gravy and melt in your mouth chickpeas. I am sure that you have made a note on all the ingredients which I'm showed in the video, and even I have made a note in the description. So follow this video step by step without missing it. The most important thing here will be, if you're planning for chickpeas gravy or chana masala for tomorrow, tonight you have to soak it. So don't forget to do that. Plan well ahead, soak it well, and prepare everyone's mind that tomorrow morning we are hitting a flavorful gravy and fully amazing smelling kitchen to all your family members. If required, you can invite your friends and neighbors also. I can assure you that you will get a lot of thumbs up for this good flavorful treat. What is that in return you will give it to us? Of course, I am also expecting same like and subscribe and share and make it talk of the town by sharing with your friends in the WhatsApp group or any of the community group. Please do support us by doing so. And along with this, I want you to comment it with this chola masala. What is that the best combination you could like to have? Whether it is a bhatura, poori, chapati, or some ghee rice, or jeera rice, or plain rice. How could like to eat with this gravy? Looking forward for your comments, and let's see who wins and which combination wins. I hope you like this recipe as everyone did it, and if so, please subscribe it, like it, share it, and comment it, and let's wait for the next video. What is that we will bring in for you to make more hungry. Thank you for watching and looking forward ahead. See ya.